Using relief money to build a new Oklahoma County jail?
Now you want to build a $150 million jail.
And that is where we begin here at 6, a tug of war over millions in federal relief dollars.
Many showing up to voice their opposition with spending that money on building a new jail. News 4's Brent Skarkey is live with details. Brent.
Kevin and Jolene, that building behind me, the subject of a special county commissioners meeting today. The big question, should over $154 million in federal COVID relief money be spent to build a new one, or is that money being spent better elsewhere?
Now you want to build a $150 million jail.
Officially, Monday's special county commissioners meeting was to take bids on, among other things, consultants to help oversee the spending of federal COVID relief money. But it quickly turned into arguments on why a new brick and mortar jail is not the best way to spend those funds.
We don't stop crime by building another building that's going to take about 2 to 5 years to build when we have realistic solutions today.
Activists say CARES Act money is better spent on mental health care, transitional housing, and a revolving bail fund for inmates. All would be designed to reduce prisoner numbers inside the jail.
We need a jail that's going to house no more than 200 people. Cut and dry. We need programs in there.
People are ready to really see this long-standing local public policy problem solved.
District 3 Commissioner Kevin Calvey says the only way to fix long-standing problems like unsanitary plumbing and infestation issues, poor medical care, and staffing shortages that lead to inmate safety issues is to have a new facility.
The biggest problem is that it's built 13 stories. And when you have to put people on elevators going up and down and all that, you certainly can't socially distance, can't effectively quarantine people in the building. It's a haven for COVID and any other infections that go in there. And it also makes it a lot more expensive to operate, both in terms of utilities and especially in staffing. It requires much more staff.
Does a new, bigger jail make stronger, equitable communities? I don't think it does.
Those opposed arguing the legalities of spending federal money on something not specifically COVID related and the track record of those who would be in charge of building a new jail.
The continued pattern and practice of civil and human rights violations, the audacity to continue to violate federal and state laws, does not give us the trust and faith that we need to continue investing and handing over any more money for any more infrastructures done by this county government, which has been notorious for corruption.
On the one hand, they argue that jail conditions are not good, but then, oh, no, don't spend any money to solve it.
Well, officials